नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. टुडे we study the similarity practice set 1.2. या 1.2 मधले जर सर्व डाउट्स वगैरे व्यवस्थित समजून घ्यायचे असतील तर हा व्हिडिओ संपूर्ण शेवटपर्यंत पहा आणि जर आजपर्यंत तुम्ही जर सबस्क्राइब केलं नसेल तर प्लीज सबस्क्राइब करा. Now the question number 1, given below are some triangles and lengths of the line segment. Identify in which figure ray PM is the bisector of angle QPR. इथे एक फिगर आहे ट्रायंगल PQR. याच्यामध्ये रे PM काढलेला आहे. PQ is equal to 7, PR is equal to 3, QM 3.5 and MR 1.5. तर आपल्याला याच्यामध्ये now we have to show PM is a bisector or not of angle QPR. In triangle PQR. आता आपल्याला जर बायसेक्टर आहे का नाही पाहायचं असेल तर आपल्याला कॉन्व्हर्स ऑफ बायसेक्टर ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल यूज करावा लागेल. तर हे दोन रेशो काढून घ्यायचे. अगोदर we have to find the ratio PQ upon PR. PQ upon PR is equal to 7/3. This is the equation number 1. And now we have to find the second ratio. QM is equal to QM upon MR. QM upon MR is equal to 3.5 upon 1.5. त्याचा डेसिमल एक एक नंबरनं पुढे घ्या म्हणजे हे होईल 35 upon 15. 5 3 ला 15, 5 7 ला 35 is equal to 7 upon 3. This is the equation number 2. Then from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, both the ratios are equal. PQ upon PR is equal to QM upon MR is equal to 7/3. Both the ratios are equal. Therefore, PQ upon PR is equal to QM upon MR. PQ upon PR is equal to QM upon MR. Therefore, by converse of angle bisector property, angle bisector theorem, ray PM is bisector of angle QPR. If both the ratios are equal, then PM is a bisector. Otherwise, if both the ratios are not equal, then PM is not a bisector. Now the second figure, in triangle PQR, PR 7, PQ 10, RM 6 and MQ 8. Now find the ratio of PR upon PQ. PR upon PQ is equal to 7 upon 10. This is the equation number 1. Now we take the second ratio, RM upon MQ. RM upon MQ is equal to 6 upon 8. 6 upon, simplify this, 6 upon 8. 2 3 the 6, 2 4 the 8 is equal to 3 upon 4. This is the equation number 2. Now observe these two ratios, PR upon PQ and RM upon MQ is not equal, because PR upon PQ is equal to 7 upon 10 and RM upon MQ is equal to 3 upon 4. Therefore, from 1 and 2, PR upon PQ is not equal to Rm upon MQ. Is not equal. Therefore, by converse of angle bisector theorem, angle bisector of triangle theorem, ray PM is not a bisector of angle RPQ. Now the third figure, PR is equal to 10, PQ is equal to 9, RM 4 and MQ 3.6. Now we find the ratio PQ upon PR. PQ upon PR, PQ is equal to 9, PR is equal to 10. Is equal to 9 by 10. This is the equation number 1. Now we find the ratio QM upon MR. 3.6. QM 3.6, MR 4. 4 means suppose 4.0. Then multiply numerator and denominator by 10. It is the 36 upon 40. Here simplify this. 4 9 the 36, 4 10 the 40 is equal to 9 upon 10. This is the equation number 2. Observe these two equations. Both the ratios are equal to 9 upon 10. Therefore, both the ratios are equal. Therefore, from 1 and 2, PQ upon PR is equal to QM upon MR. Therefore, by converse of angle bisector theorem, ray PM is bisector of angle QPR. Now the second problem, in triangle PQR, PQ 25, PR 20, NR 8 and PM 15. State whether the NM is parallel to side QR and give reason. तर आपल्याला इथं बघा आता NN, we have to show now NN parallel to QR. Then I have the converse of BPT. Then use here converse of BPT. जर आपल्याला MN QR ला parallel दाखवायचा असेल तर आपल्याला converse of BPT इथं यूज करावा लागेल. आपल्याला हे दोन रेशो काढून घ्यावे लागतील अगोदर, PM upon NR and PM upon MQ. मग इथं आपल्याला NR माहिती आहे पण PM माहिती नाही. मग अगोदर PM काढून घ्यावं लागेल आणि इकडं PM माहिती आहे पण MQ माहिती नाही. मग MQ आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करून घ्यावं लागेल. PM plus NR, PM plus NR is equal to PR. PM plus NR is equal to PR. Reason P dash N dash R. Because P and R is the collinear points. Pn is equal to Pn आपल्याला find out करायचं plus 8 is equal to 20. Therefore Pn is equal to 20 minus 8 is equal to 12. Now we find the MQ. PM plus MQ is equal to PQ. Pm plus Mq is equal to PQ. Reason P dash M dash Q. P, M, Q are the collinear points. Pm 15 plus Mq is equal to 25. Mq is equal to 25 minus 15 is equal to 10. Now we find the ratio Pn upon Nr. First ratio Pn upon Nr. Pn upon Nr is equal to Pn is equal to 12 and Nr is equal to 8. Then simplify this ratio. 12 upon 8 means 4 to the 8, 4 3 the 12 is equal to 3 upon 2. This is the equation number 1. Now find the second ratio Pm upon Mq. Pm upon Mq is equal to Pm is equal to 15 and Mq is equal to 10. Simplify this is also 15 upon 10. 5 to the 10, 5 3 the 15 is equal to 3 upon 2. This is the equation number 1. Observe these two ratios. Pm upon Nr is equal to 3 by 2 and also Pm upon Mq is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2. Both ratios are equal. Both the ratios are equal. Pn upon Nr is equal to Pm upon Mq. If Pn upon Nr and equal to Pm upon Mq. Therefore, by using converse of dPt, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, Nm is parallel to Rq. Nm parallel to Rq. Segment Nm parallel to side Rq. The third problem, in triangle MNP, NQ is a bisector of angle N. आपल्याला इथं क्वेश्चन मध्येच बघा, we read NQ is a bisector of angle N. Then use here angle bisector theorem of a triangle. If NQ is a bisector of angle N, then Mn upon Pn. Mn upon Pn is equal to Mq upon 2p. Then Mn is equal to 5, Pn is equal to 7 and Mq is equal to 2.5. Then find the QP. इथं आपल्याला QP find out करायचे. In triangle MNP, in triangle MNP, NQ is a bisector. NQ is a bisector of angle N. It is the given reason given. Therefore, by using angle bisector theorem, Mn upon Mn upon Pn is equal to MQ upon PQ. MQ upon PQ. आपण Mn पासून M पासून सुरुवात केली आहे. Mn, तर Mn upon Pn is equal to, then now start the second ratio from MQ upon QP. That is the correct. Now substitute the values. Mn is equal to 5. Mn is equal to 5. Pn is equal to 7. Sorry, here Pn, not a Pm. Pn is equal to 7 is equal to MQ 2.5 upon PQ upon QP. Here, do you have the cross multiplication? 5 into QP is equal to 2.5 into 7. Cross multiplication is here. Now, take the P right hand side. Therefore, QP is equal to 2.5 into 7 upon 5. That is 5 is the multiply मध्ये right hand side ला आल्यानंतर ते divide मध्ये. आता simplify this. 5 1 are 5. इथे 2 ला divide होत नाही म्हणून take 0 point. Then now 25. 5 5 are 25 is equal to 0.5 into 7. Therefore, QP is equal to 0.5 into 7. 7 5 are 35. And here point. Therefore, QP is equal to 3.5. Now the fourth problem in triangle APQ. Measure of some angles in the figure are given. Then prove that AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Angle APQ is equal to 60 degree and angle AQC is equal to 60 degree. AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC prove करायचं. म्हणजे आपल्याला हे जर प्रूव्ह करायचं असेल तर आपल्याला we have to given here PQ parallel to BC. But in this problem, if PQ parallel to BC is not given, then first of all we have to show that PQ parallel to BC by using these two angles, angle APQ and angle ABC. Angle APQ and angle ABC are the congruent angles because both are 60 degrees. And see here, PQ and BC and AB are the transversal. Let's suppose AB is the transversal. But here, angle APQ and angle ABC both are the corresponding angles. And these corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore, PQ parallel to BC. Reason by corresponding angle test. By corresponding angle test. Then now we solve. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. Angle APQ congruent angle ABC. Region each of 60 degrees. Each of 60 degrees. But angle APQ and angle ABC are the corresponding angles. But angle APQ and angle ABC are corresponding angles. Are corresponding angles. Therefore, PQ parallel to BC. Therefore, segment PQ parallel to segment BC. If triangle PQ parallel to BC, Then by using basic proportionality theorem, therefore AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Therefore, in triangle ABC, AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC, results basic proportionality theorem, BPT. And this is our answer. AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Next problem. In trapezium ABCD, side AB parallel to side PQ parallel to side DC, AP is equal to 15, PD is equal to 12, QC is equal to 14, then find the BQ. Here AB parallel PQ parallel DC. Then now use the property of three parallel lines and their transversal. Now in trapezium ABCD, side AB parallel to side PQ parallel to side DC. It is given. Then by using property of three parallel lines and their transversal. Property is if AB parallel PQ parallel DC, then AP upon PD is equal to BQ upon QC. Therefore, AP upon PD is equal to BQ upon QC. After that, substitute the values of AP, PD and QC. AP is equal to 15, PD is equal to 12, is equal to BQ. Find out correct आपल्याला BQ upon 14. Then 15 upon 12 is equal to BQ upon 14. Now do here the cross multiplication. 15 into 14. 15 into 14 is equal to BQ into 12. BQ into 12. Then take 15 left hand, then take 12 right hand to left hand. If 15 into 14 upon 12 is equal to BQ. 12 इकडे multiply मध्ये, left hand side आल्यानंतर divide मध्ये. Simplify this. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 40. Then BQ is equal to 5 into 7, 35 upon 2. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. Therefore, BQ is equal to 17.5. Therefore, BQ is equal to 17.5. This is our answer. Now the sixth problem. Find 2P using given information in the figure. Figure मध्ये काय दिलं आपल्याला पहा. In triangle MNP, NQ is the bisector of angle N. इथं आपल्याला same mark दिला म्हणजे NQ is the bisector of angle N. N 25, NP 40, MQ 14. Then find the QP. Bisect triangle, then use here angle bisector theorem of triangle. In triangle MNP, in triangle MNP, NQ is a bisector bisector of angle N. It is given. Therefore, by angle bisector theorem. Therefore, by angle bisector theorem. Angle bisector theorem. Mn upon Np. Mn upon Np is equal to Nq upon Qp. Nq upon Qp. लक्षात ठेवा. रेशो मी Mn पासून सुरुवात केला. Mn upon Np. Then start other ratio from also M. Mq upon Qp. Then substitute the values. Mn 25, Np 40. Then 25 upon 40 is equal to 14 upon Qp. Mq is equal to 40. Then do here the cross multiplication. 25 into Qp is equal to 14 into 40. Now 25 la right hand side la. Qp is equal to 14 into 40 upon 25. 25 in left hand side with the product and right hand side is divide मध्ये. Simplify this. 5 5 is 25. 5 8 is 40. 14 into 8. 14 8 is 112 upon 5. Divide this. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. 1 remainder here. 5 2 is 10. Point 2 here remainder. Then point here 20. 5 4 is 20. Is equal to 22.4. Therefore, Qp is equal to 22.4. This is your problem in figure. AB parallel BC parallel FE. Then find F and A. X आणि A आपल्याला find out करायचे. Given का AB parallel CD parallel FE. AB parallel CD parallel FE. Given. Given आहे. Therefore, use here three parallel lines and property of three parallel lines and their transversal. काय property? BD upon DF is equal to AC upon CE. BD upon DF is equal to AC upon CE. By property of three parallel lines. Three parallel lines and their transversal. And their transversal. Then substitute the values. BD is equal to 8, DF is equal to 4, therefore 8 upon 4 is equal to AC 12 upon X. 8 by 4 is equal to 12 upon X. Then do here cross multiplication. 8 into X is equal to 12 into 4. Therefore X is equal to 12 into 4 upon 8. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12. Therefore X is equal to 6. Therefore X is equal to 6. This is our first answer. Now here is asked also find AE. AE find out करायचं आपल्याला आणखी. AE is equal to AC plus CE. AC plus CE. Reason A dash C dash E, because A, C, E are the three collinear points. Then substitute the values. AE is equal to AC 12 plus CE 6. Then AE is equal to 12 plus 6, 18. Therefore, FC is equal to 6 and AE is equal to 18. This is our answer. Now the eighth problem. In triangle LMN, ray MT is a bisector of angle LMN, LM6, MN10, TN8, then find LT. Here, ray MT is a bisector of angle LMN. Therefore, use here angle bisector theorem of a triangle. In triangle LMN, ray MT is a bisector of angle LMN. This is the given. Therefore, by using angle bisector theorem, by using angle bisector theorem, LM upon MN is equal to LT upon TN. Now substitute the values. LM6, MN10 is equal to LT upon TN8. Therefore, 6 upon 10 is equal to LT upon 8. Do here the cross multiplication. 6 into 8 is equal to LT into 10. LT into 10. आता 10 ला लेफ्ट हँड साइडला घ्या. इथं मल्टिप्लाय मध्ये, लेफ्ट हँड साइडला डिवाइड मध्ये. मीन्स 6 into 8 upon 10 is equal to LT. आता इथं सिम्प्लिफाय करा. LT is equal to 6 8 are 48. 6 8 are 48 upon 10. 48 upon 10. ज्यावेळेस आपण 10 ला डिवाइड करतो त्यावेळेस काय करायचं, डायरेक्ट 1 वर एक 0. इथं 48 ला 48 लिहू. 1 च्या पुढं एकच 0 असेल तर राईट हँड करून लेफ्ट हँड कडे एक नंबर सोडून डेसिमल द्यायचा. 8 सोडला डेसिमल. Means 4.8. Therefore, LT is equal to 4.8. This is our answer. Now the ninth problem. In triangle ABC, BD bisect angle ABC. BD bisect angle ABC. AB is equal to x, BC x plus 5, AD x minus 2, BC x plus 2, then find the value of x. Now we solve. In triangle ABC, segment BD bisect angle ABC. Result given. Therefore, by using angle bisector theorem, angle bisector theorem, angle bisector theorem काय पहा, AB upon AC. AB upon AC is equal to AD upon BC. Then substitute the values. X upon X. Sorry, here AB upon BC. here AB upon BC is equal to AD upon DC. X upon X plus 5 is equal to X minus 2 upon X plus 2. इथं आता क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करा. X into means X in bracket X plus 2 is equal to X minus 2 in bracket X plus 5. Then multiply here X into X, X into X, X square, and X into 2, 2X. Then here multiply, use here, first term is same. In two brackets, first term X is same. Therefore, is equal to X square, square of first term, and minus 2 plus 5 into first term. Minus 2 plus 5 into first term. Minus 2 plus 5, 3 into X plus 3X. Then minus 2 into 5, minus 10. फर्स्ट टर्म जर सेम असेल तर आपल्याला या पद्धतीने सॉल्व करावं लागेल. स्क्वेअर ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस सम ऑफ सेकंड टर्म इनटू फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सेकंड टर्म. Here x square both the sides, therefore x square get cancelled. Then here 2x 3x ला तर लेफ्ट हँड साइड ला घ्या, प्लस 3x तो मायनस 3x होईल. मायनस 3x इज इक्वल टू मायनस 10. 2x मायनस 3x मायनस x इज इक्वल टू मायनस 10. Therefore x is equal to 10. दोन्ही साइडला मायनस आहे, प्लस. x is equal to 10 and this is our answer. 10th problem. In figure, X is any point in the interior of a triangle. Point X is joined the vertex of a triangle. Segment PQ parallel segment DE, PQ parallel DE, and QR parallel EF. Then fill in the blanks to prove that segment PR parallel segment DF. Here we have to show PR parallel to DF. मग आपल्याला PR parallel DF जर प्रूव्ह करायचं असेल तर XP upon PD is equal to XR upon RF. कॉन्व्हर्स ऑफ बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम नुसार हे अगोदर आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करावं लागेल. We have to given here in triangle SDE, PQ parallel to DE, PQ parallel to DE given. It is given. Therefore, by using basic proportionality theorem, XP upon PD is equal to XQ upon QE. XQ upon QE, basic proportionality theorem. Then in triangle, then we have to take here triangle XEF. In triangle XEF, QR parallel EF. QR EF la parallel hai. It is given here. Therefore, given. Then XQ upon QE. XQ upon QE is equal to XR upon RF. XR upon RF by basic proportionality theorem. Reason, basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. Then this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. See here, observe these two equations. XQ upon QE and XQ upon QE is equal. Therefore, XP upon PD is equal to XR upon RF. Equation 1 and equation 2 see एक side same. Therefore, other side is also same. Therefore, XP upon PD is equal to XR upon RF. XR upon RF from 1 and 2. Then see here, XP upon PD is equal to XR upon RF. Then by converse of BPT, basic proportionality theorem, PR parallel to DF. Therefore, segment PR parallel to segment DF, converse of basic proportionality theorem. Now we solve the 11th problem. In triangle ABC, ray BD bisect angle ABC and ray C bisect angle ACB. If segment AB congruent segment AC, then prove that ED parallel BC. आपल्याला या प्रॉब्लेम वरून याच्या अगोदर फिगर काढावी लागेल आपल्याला. काय फिगर आहे बघा, इन ट्रायंगल ABC म्हणजे ट्रायंगल ABC ड्रॉ करा. दिस इज ट्रायंगल ABC. प्रकार म्हटले रे BD बायसेक्ट अँगल ABC. BD रे B पासून जाणार. BD रे bisect angle ABC and ray CE bisect angle ACB. Segment AB congruent segment AC, then prove that ED parallel BC. इथं E आहे, CE. Then join segment ED. Join segment ED, then prove that ED parallel BC. आता एक लक्षात घ्या, आपल्याला ED BC ला पॅरलल दाखवायचं म्हणजे आपल्याला AE upon BE is equal to AD upon BC प्रूव्ह करावं लागेल. ठीक. And after that, using converse of basic proportionality theorem, ED parallel to BC. आपल्याला याच्यामध्ये given काय, BD is the bisector of angle ABC, then use here angle bisector theorem. AE upon BE AB upon BC is equal to AD upon BC. Give the number, equation number 1. And now C is the bisector of angle ACB. Then use here also angle bisector theorem. AC upon BC is equal to AD upon B. Then from 1 and 2, equation observe these two equations. Now we solve. In triangle ABC, ray BD bisect angle ABC. Ray BD bisect angle ABC. It is given. Therefore AE upon BE. It is given. Therefore AB upon BC. AB upon BC is equal to AD upon BC. AD upon BC, equation number 1 by converse of by angle bisector theorem. Angle bisector theorem. Then segment CE, ray CE bisect angle ACB. Ray CE bisect angle ACB. This is also given. Then AC upon BC. AC upon BC is equal to AE upon BE. AE upon BE. This is equation number 2 by angle bisector theorem. Angle bisector theorem. आपल्याला इथे दिले but segment AB congruent segment AC. But segment AB congruent segment AC given. Therefore, AB is equal to AC. आता इथं काय करा, फ्रॉम याला 3 नंबर देऊ आपण. फ्रॉम 2 and 3 इथं AB is equal to AC आहे. इथून AC ला रिप्लेस करून त्या ठिकाणी AB सबस्टिट्यूट करा. इथं काय होईल, AC ला रिप्लेस करून तिथं AB is equal to AC आहे, इथं AB ठेवा. AB upon BC is equal to AE upon BE. काय केलं पहा, AC ला रिप्लेस करून तिथं AB सबस्टिट्यूट केलं. AB upon BC is equal to AE upon BE. This is the equation number 4 and this is from 2 and 3. Now observe these two equations, equation 1 and equation 4. AB upon BC is equal to AE upon B and AB upon BC is equal to AD upon BC. Left hand side of both the equations, AB upon BC are equal. Therefore, right hand side is also equal. Then, AD upon BC is equal to AE upon BE. Reason from 1 and 4. From 1 and 4, AD upon BC is equal to AE upon B. Then see here, AD upon BC is equal to AE upon BE. Then by converse of BPT, converse of basic proportionality theorem, ED is parallel to BC. Then by converse of basic proportionality theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem, ED parallel to BC. ED parallel to BC. ED parallel to BC.